One of the exciting things about Walyalup Koort is that playground. It is fantastic. So there's something for all ages there. There's right from the little kids through to the bigger kids. It's a really fun environment, and it should be because it was designed with kids. So we went out there and talked to kids and said, what is it that you'd like to be playing on? And they gave us some feedback, and it's been incorporated into the design.
My favourite thing is probably the trampoline, because it's really fun. But I also like how they use the shapes of the city, like the cranes and the old buildings, as the inspiration.
We've taken inspiration from everything that's local in Fremantle. It's a reflection of the architecture, it's a reflection of industry and the wharf, the trains, the boats, things that make Fremantle so iconic in terms of its identity and look and feel.
I like it because it's open and there's so much to do. Like you can climb, you can swim, you can jump around.
The materials used in the playground are quite diverse, so there was the idea to try and balance the industrial side of what Fremantle is through a lot of painted steel, but still vibrant and colourful, and then offset that with sort of more natural elements like timber and mulches and gravels and so forth to sort of soften the space again.
I like the swing because it goes fast and it's really cool.
It's been absolutely amazing sort of seeing how people are starting to interact with this space. I just love looking out there, seeing the kids, hearing the laughter. It's a lot of fun.